Hi guys, this is Ranish Malhan from Pix Compose. Today we are going to complete our poster which we have started on the Saturday. This is where we have stopped our poster. So we will continue to complete it and make it look alike like the original one. But before that, don't forget to subscribe our channel and do press the bell icon so that you get the notifications on time about our new videos. So let's get started. Firstly, I will create some copies of this virus layer, but I will reduce the size of this virus because this is too big according to me for this image. So for that I am pressing Ctrl T and started reducing it. Now I am going to take copies of this virus. I have reduced the size of new layer because I want to show that this virus is too far. Now I am going to change the color mode to color dodge so that it can blend in the fog properly. It will create a look, or you can say it will mimic the look that the virus is too far and coming towards the us. So I think we have enough copies of this virus. You can create more if you want to, and if you want the stock images on which we are working, you can download them from the description. So right now I am going to select the base layer and we will find the average color. For that, go to the filter and then blur and select the average. This will find out the average color in the image so that we can apply that on the other elements so that they will look that they were already present in the environment. So I have applied that on the woman layer with the clipping mask, and now I have changed the blending mode to overlay. I can reduce the effect by reducing the opacity. Now I am going to group the coronavirus together so that we can apply this effect on these layers in the one go. I will apply this effect on the group. So I am going to bring this layer up above the coronavirus layer, or you can say the group layer. So now I am going to create a clipping mask for the group. So we have created that, and now the elements are composited well enough. Now I have created the color balance layer to tweak the shadows, highlights and the midtones towards the blue. Like in the original image, we will not get the original result in this step, but we will be closer to that one. You can see I am tweaking everything towards the blue. Because right now we want to go towards the blue, but you can create any color scheme according to your desire. We can reduce this effect with the opacity. We can change the blending mode to stylize this effect. So now I'm going to create a bottom border. As you can see in the original image, and you can see that the border behind the legs of this lady. So we have to pull this layer down in the layers panel. Now we can change the color. As you can see, I have done that. At this time I will type the text here. So we have the text with us now. I am changing the color of this text. Now the text is adjusted according to our needs. Now you can see the text is blended enough in the original image, so you can use the blending mode for that. This works fine for me. I have selected difference blending mode for this example. We can reduce the opacity of this coronavirus. As you can see in the original image, we have very low opacity. We can change the blending mode and reduce the size of these coronaviruses. So now at this time I'm going to make a change. I'm going to apply the average color layer on the whole image, because right now I have changed the mind and I think it will look good if we have this color evenly spread on everywhere. So now I have changed some color and pushed it towards the blue with the color balance adjustment layer. You can see we are getting the look which we have in the original image, and the effect is very good. We have a good result. So that's all for today, and if you have any issues, if you find any issues with any type of poster and any other technique, please do write to us and we will solve that. And don't forget to subscribe our channel and do press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.